You know, one thing that really grinds my gears? That we only have 24 hours in the day. So how do we maximize time? Well, that's where I've created this expert video series where I'm going to be talking to people outside of marketing that can help us grow a bigger, better biz. Here we go. As we're going into 2022, are there any trends that you're seeing in merchant services, credit card processing that you want to share?
I think the biggest ones that we kind of already discussed was the cash discounting surcharging. More and more customers are definitely asking about these programs and if they'd be beneficial or not for their business. But again, I always can just make sure you're doing your research on it, making sure it is legal in the States, and making sure your processor, if they want to set you up with this program, that they're actually doing it the right way, that you're actually posting the sign saying, hey, if you do use a card, there is going to be a 4% surcharge added to your bill. So just making sure that things are done the right way. And then obviously EMV is a big one. Europay, Visa, MasterCard, Europay, MasterCard, Visa is becoming a lot more popular as the chips are being embedded into these cards. You want to make sure that you have the equipment that can accept those chips. It's the inserting of your credit or debit card into the terminal. More and more fees are being charged for businesses that are not set up for EMV payments. If you're still swiping the cards using the magnetic strip, there are additional fees being assessed from these processors. So that's something that's very important. It's been around for a little bit, but now these processors are starting to penalize the merchants for not having the right type of equipment to accept those cards. And then, yeah, like you said, crypto, slowly but surely, it is something that is coming along. Fiserv, who's one of the biggest processors in the industry, partnered with a company called Bakkt, who is a digital asset platform to basically set up their merchants to start accepting Bitcoin or any sort of cryptocurrency.
And there you have it, a quick, easy to watch, and even easier to digest expert tip that's going to help you grow your bigger, better biz. Until next time, I'm Bryan Caplan with the Bigger, Better Biz community. Here's to your success.